Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Let's rock! Or just griddle. Uh, that's probably better, huh? Grilling. We're making wieners. Haven't had wieners in a week. So, got avocado oil. And it's trying to get away. We're gonna do them a little bit different. This ain't your mama's wieners or something. I don't know. That didn't sound right, did it? None of this sounds right. So we have some good wieners. I like to buy them, some good ones, when they're on sale, and then we stick them in the freezer. And then we don't have any room in the freezer, and we have to move into a house with a bigger freezer, and it's a whole big thing. Okay. Uh-oh. Wiener juice. Didn't mean to throw the wiener juice on, but it happened. We're stuck with it. Now here's one of the things we're doing different. Avocado oil on top of the wieners. Yes, that's right, on top. My secret seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, coarse, and some other secret things. And it is turned up a little high this time. Actually, probably could have done it without the salt, but then I have to break out the original packages and stuff. So we'll just do it with this. La da 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 da. Look at that. Yum. Oh, it smells so good. Coarse sea salt, coarse black pepper, granulated garlic, some Mrs. Dash, some other odds and ends. Really, just the pepper and garlic would have been great. It may be too salty. It may not. Some extra Mrs. Dash. La da 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 da. Just, can you smell that? Man, that smells so good. I've outdone myself, and I haven't done anything. Meanwhile, we will need some buns. I don't think we need that many buns. Maybe we will. How hungry am I? I don't think we'll need 7 buns. We'll do 6 buns. Just for the halibut. And you have to keep them rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep them doggies moving. Rawhide. Round them up. Move them out. Rawhide. And I'm opening the buns. Oh, wieners are starting to get that nice cooked wiener texture. So excited. Okay, they're almost done. I got some cheap butter. throw down a couple of these. This side's turned down to low. Okay, are you keeping an eye on the wieners for me? My back was turned. Supposed to be watching that. What am I paying you for if you're not going to watch my wieners? So hard to find good help. Baja has graciously offered to watch, but I'm not sure I trust the puppy dog with my wieners. Oh, look at that. Just look at that. Roll them around in that seasoning. Like I said, I should have just used the pepper, Mrs. Dash, garlic, but hopefully the salt won't be too bad. Look at that. Okay. We can turn this off. We can turn this off. We can gather up our buns before they're burnt, because nobody likes burnt buns or burnt wieners. Actually, some people like burnt wieners. What? But I try not to burn things. Try is the key phrase, word, the word of the day. Just look at that bun. Oh, it's so good. Really, really good. So, start bunning our wieners. What do you think? Is that awesome, or is that awesome? Get back here. Okay, I'll have to angle a little bit because we're running out of room. Okay, there we go. Now, if you could clean up that mess for me while I'm inside eating, because I'm going to be enjoying these. Look at that. Oh, make your tongue slap your brains out. Okay, that's all we got for today. Baja, do you have anything to add besides throw the ball? Okay, thanks for watching, y'all, and that's a wrap. Bye!